Not bad at all. I'll tell you
here.
what, those Taco Bell taco shells sound really good, though.
I know.
All right, checking in this morning. It should be a great afternoon, but we've got to get through this morning. It is pretty cold out there. Probably need a winter coat to start the day, but have something a little lighter underneath of that winter coat. There's a live view from out at KPOB, our tower camera there, and of course we've got temperatures for the most part below freezing pretty much everywhere. Right now across parts of southeast Missouri into the lower 30s, upper 20s, still across southern Illinois this morning. 31 degrees so in Poplar Bluff. Wind chills back into the upper 20s. So once again, bundle up this morning. Winds will turn out of the south by this afternoon. Strong winds will push temperatures, though, back above average today. One of the peak days of not only the week, but possibly the entire month of February coming up this afternoon. So get out, if you get a chance, make sure you get outside and enjoy it. Looking ahead to Wednesday, another very warm day, possibly even a few degrees warmer than today, but stronger winds Wednesday, and by Wednesday night, tracking some wet weather back into our forecast. Big system set to impact the central U.S. on Thursday brings a good chance of widespread heavy rainfall, possibly a few thunderstorms into our region as well. Of course, something we'll talk about here in just a minute. Right now outside, though, we've got clear skies overhead. Temperatures upper 20s across southern Illinois from Mount Vernon at 26 to Marion at 28, Paducah at 28 degrees as well, and Union City, Tennessee right now at 30 degrees. We've got you covered today across southern Illinois where we do expect temperatures to be into the upper 50s from, say, about Mount Vernon over, say, closer to Broughton, upper 50s, 59 degrees there. Ridgeway to New Haven about 59, Harrisburg also at 59, Marion at 60, Vienna up to about 60 degrees. A lot of blue sky expected across western Kentucky, low to mid 60s near the Kentucky-Tennessee line. Mid 60s as well into the Missouri Boot Heel, Fredericktown today, up to about 61, but enjoy the warmth, enjoy the dry weather as well. Big system coming on to the west coast this morning. We'll dive into the desert southwest and then move into the central U.S. It's going to pull a lot of moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico as we head through the day on Thursday. Notice the storm track on this, though, stays to the north and west of our region. That means we are going to be talking about rain. I've had some questions over the last couple of days about potential winter weather impacts, but right now we are most concerned with the potential for some pretty heavy rain, and Thursday looking like a washout here. Still some question on exactly where this system is going to track. Notice not too far to our north and west, though, you do run into some of that winter weather, and to our south, bigger chances for the possibility of some stronger storms. So if this storm system does take more of a southern track over our region, that would keep a lot of the severe weather threat south of us. However, a more northern track would bring that severe weather threat a little farther to the north. The Storm Prediction Center, though, this morning highlighting parts of our region, especially western Kentucky and the Missouri Boot Heel, in a level 2. Notice on that scale of 1 to 5 there. And that does even include far southern Illinois. Again, still a lot of uncertainty on how far north this will make it, but this is the initial update here from the Storm Prediction Center. Main threats, this will be Thursday afternoon primarily. Strong damaging winds, but I can't entirely rule out a brief spin-up tornado. Heavy rain, also a good possibility. 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain. Mount Vernon, say back over, say closer to the Perryville area, a little less to the south and east, especially south of the Ohio River. But still quite a bit of uncertainty here on how far north that severe weather threat will get. We've got you covered. We will continue to keep you up to date as we get a little closer and we gain confidence on exactly where this area of low pressure is going to track. However, by Thursday night, rain begins to briefly switch over to some snow before this wraps up. We're not expecting much in the way of measurable winter weather out of it. We'll bottom out 18 degrees on Friday morning, back into the upper 30s. That's it for a high on Friday, but the cool down very short-lived. Upper 40s near 50 on Saturday. Sunday we're in the 50s, and then President's Day on Monday, temperatures bouncing right back into the lower 60s.
Whoa. All right.
Wow.
Thank you, Nick.